If you want to add a percent sign next to your grade, what you normally do is you select all this grade and you can go under Home tab, and under Number tab you click on this percentage. But what that does is that it takes the grade and you multiply by 100 before putting in a percentage sign. So that is not correct. Another option you can do is you take equal 93 divided by 100, and after that you go to your percentage again, and that will do the trick. But as you can see, I have well over 200 students here, and that's not a viable option. So this is how you can actually do when you're dealing with big data set here. Anywhere on the cell, type the number 100 and select the 100 and press Ctrl C to copy in a clipboard. Next, go ahead and select the whole grade, and after that, under Home, Paste, click on the down arrow here. You'll be selecting Paste Special. Click on it, a pop-up window will come up here. In here, select Divide here like this, and click OK. What that does is that it takes all the grade and it divides that by 100 so that you're not doing one at a time. After that, you go to your Home again, Number, Percentage. Now you can see everything is showing in percentage, and if you want a couple of multiple decimal places, you can select or click on these two icons here. This is to increase the decimal place and this is to decrease it.